how to calculate ratio in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to calculate ratio, you'll need to use the round function and I'll show you how to do it. So go into your Excel file and then go to the cell where you want the ratio. Now put in equals to and then type round, tap on it, and then put in the first number, put in the divide sign, put in the second number, and then put comma 1 and then close the bracket. Now put in the and sign and then in inverted commas, you'll need to put in semicolon and then close the inverted comma and again put and 1 and then hit enter, and there you go, you'll get the ratio. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.